So, what we've just received
some
here today.
King Parrot, fruit whoosh, apple and blackcurrant juice drink.
I've never really heard much about
Open
these.
here, so let me get.
So let's do a review on them.
Right, so. So 175 for 10, so that's
Right,
17 and a half pennies per pouch. They look like. They're not bottles.
Just open.
There you go.
Right then.
Done.
Okay.
17. So this is worth 17 and a half pence. We have what? 89 calories.
Oh, what's the damage? Yeah, what's the damage?
There we go. Pause the video now.
So that's if you wanted to know the damage.
Probably don't. So here's one for you.
Oh, thank you very much.
And here's one for
I think they've tried to copy a Capri Suns. Capri Suns, yep. So here we are. We're going to do a review on it. So one hand, how do people do this? I don't know.
Well, one's open.
Right.
Ooh.
Is it just nice and fruity? Put this down a minute. This is. To try it right now. Yes, that is the business. Unbelievable. Wow, that is so good. What's yours like?
I just finished it.
Already? Right, next.
2 litres in there. I've just had 10% of it.
All in there.